have uncovered wonders undreamt by our ancestors who first speculated on the nature of those wandering lights in the night sky.
Up until the 1920s, everyone thought the universe was essentially static and unchanging in time. Then it was discovered that the universe was expanding. Distant galaxies were moving away from us.
Hello everybody, welcome back to EK, #1 YouTuber of Asia. New video, new background, new light. Welcome guys. This video is JAME Space Telescope. Why JAME Space Telescope is so important and how it can show us the formations of stars and galaxies. So let's see. JAME Space Telescope the chart telescope the chart telescope you visible light ko JAME Space Telescope infrared light ko electromagnetic spectrum gamma ray, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, radio wave so we visible light ko but JAME can see infrared light. Infrared below red the infrared light heat radiate below yawutu aloma Ubama blue trace and nature galaxy heat radiate below infrared light telescope sa high quality image Hubble Space Telescope JAME Space Telescope JAME Space Telescope 24 karat gold plated red light, infrared light reflect but JAME has its own weakness. Heat radiate below infrared light ko infrared light in stars galaxy infrared light the only solution is keep the telescope as cool as possible. NASA team telescope ko minus degrees Celsius but in space it can possible. JAME Space Telescope sun go orbit low to orbit low point L2 point low sun shield the JAME Space Telescope NASA team $10 billion $10 billion the infrared well the answer is no. JAME Space Telescope galaxy earth planet life exists alien basically JAME can see 30 billion years past. Big Bang had 30.7 billion years Big Bang period now Jerry Larry Galaxy blue JAME Space Telescope but how? They know Tania Babo chain a lay on it Tania Matania Yawood chain Javare Uma near Leon Kabamiji Yawood Shimini can Javare I the water general near Leon long hair shimini Leon Pibar. The logic over scale Gijima Twachilava, the Chodo Galaxy, General Kabami in billions of kilometer away. JAME Telescope, billions of kilometer away, galaxy, infrared light go, Pama Peter the John, Big Bang period now Pima, galaxy, star, Pike Lesro, Tinema Pibare. Hope you like this video, guys. Catch on the next one.